Welcome to Tea and Coffee Explorers. Today we're diving into the rich history of Costa Rican coffee, from farm to your cup. Costa Rica's love affair with coffee began in the late 18th century. Introduced by Spanish settlers, coffee quickly became the nation's leading export by the mid-1800s. Costa Rica's unique climate and volcanic soil created the perfect conditions for cultivating high-quality Arabica beans. By the 20th century, coffee had woven itself into the fabric of Costa Rican culture. Small family-owned farms known as fincas became the backbone of the coffee industry. The beans were hand-picked, ensuring only the ripest cherries were selected. Today, Costa Rican coffee is celebrated worldwide. It's not just a drink, it's a symbol of national pride, a ritual, and a connection to the land. From the rich soils of the Central Valley to your cup, this is the journey of Costa Rican coffee. Thanks for exploring with us. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe for more adventures with Tea and Coffee Explorers.